Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Went down to SpeedTek RC and picked up a couple servos for my crawlers. I picked up the 408 and the 508. One's the 408, 700 plus ounces of torque, and it's a direct connect to the battery. And this is the 508, which is the newest one that just came out, and it's 1,000 ounces, and it just hooks up to your radio. So your best is to get a BEC for the full 1000 plus. Let's open this one up. I also had it laser etched inside with my logo on it. Did a couple different logos. So this one's 700 ounces of torque. It's like 129. You can use my 10% on discount code for Kurtz RCs. Get 10% off, so it'd be about, I don't know, figure 15 bucks now, somewhere around there. So it'd be around 112 or something like that. I don't know, somewhere around there. So which ain't too bad for 700 ounces of torque. There. You guys see that? My logo on there, Kurtz RCs, get the flames going there. The whole bit there came out pretty nice. All his servos, you can get that on there for free. He does it right there in San Jose and then ships it out to you. You order it that day, usually does it that day and then either ships out. Depends on what time you order it. You know, he'll get it out that day or the next day, something of that. Okay, so, and this, they're nice, all aluminum. Comes with the metal horn, plus other plastic horns, and this circle metal horn. So if you needed it for something small, you know, you want to use it for something different. Of course, it comes with a sticker, and then this tells you the specs. The torque is 515 at 10 volts. 608 at 12 volts, and then 700.5 at 14 volts. So I'll be running mine on 3S. So I'll get like 608 ounces of torque out of it. And then 10 seconds for speed. So that's pretty fast, especially for crawler. You can get all the way up to 8 seconds. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Just go to speedtekrc.com. That's it. I got the laser etching is free on any of their servos. Even the cheaper ones, the plastic ones, he can do that. It'll just look different. So whatever's underneath, whatever kind of metal or paint that was underneath, that's what's going to show up, for the color wise. And then this is the 1,000 ounce. This goes right into your radio. Like I said, you probably need a BEC for that one. And then I put the YouTube logo up above it on this one, Kurtz RCs. So, which came out nice. And then you tell them which way you want it. So if you have one sitting different on there and you want it to read this way, then you just tell them which side the servo's on, the servo horn's going to be on. So if it's going to be on the driver's side or passenger side, just let him know and he'll put it the right way for you, you know. That way you can get it to where it sits in there fine. I'm going to put mine in my Capra, so it'll be sitting here on the front. It's on the right hand side, so it's on the driver's side. So it's on the left hand side of the, you know, how you see a car. So, but yeah. That's all free when he does that. You can get that done, or you don't have to do anything. You can just do wording. He prefers it to be black and white. It comes out a little better. If the color's too light, it won't pick it up. So if you can change your logo to black and white, or if you just want some letterings on it, you know, he does that. You can pretty much do it on any one of them. So you just got to send him a message on that little message thing on the website, it'll say when you click on the servo, it'll have a little thing down here that you got to type in. It makes you do something, so you tell them if you don't want nothing or if you want something or a logo, and then you can send it to them or whatever you want to do. Okay, it's a new thing they're starting. But that's pretty cool, I think. So yeah, there you go, guys. The new one right here, 500 or 1,000 ounces of torque. Gonna be a bad boy right here. I'm gonna just one more little heads up. He's coming out with a cheaper servo. Not cheaper and build wise, but it's gonna be like I think it's gonna be around $30, and it's gonna be 300 ounces of torque. So it'll be might even be around $25. For the guys that want to get, you know, don't want to pay the prices for a servo, it's a good servo. 300 ounces is pretty good. So we'll he's been posting it on his Instagram page, so go follow SpeedTek RC on Instagram. And he's posting that up there. And I believe it's going to be programmable. That's a $25, $30 servo. That's going to be programmable. So, and then you can use my discount on that too and get a couple dollars off of that. So that's a steal, I think, for a 300 ounce servo, which would be perfect for your Kent scales or cars like that, or even, you know, your little lightweight eight scale cars like my HPI Maverick would be perfect, you know, for that because they're so light. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and y'all have a great day.